Well, lawmakers approved legislation that allows Illinois residents to bring civil action against anyone depriving them of their constitutional rights. It's a response to the federal immigration raids in Chicago and beyond. A move that comes just days after a Central Illinois business owner was detained by ICE. News Channel 20's Emily Jordan is breaking down what lawmakers have approved.
House Bill 1312, if signed into law, allows Illinois residents to collect punitive damages if immigration officers violate their rights to due process and protection against unreasonable searches and seizure. Those damages can stack if agents wear a mask, conceal their identity, fail to wear a body camera, or use a vehicle with non-Illinois or obscured license plate. Anyone who violates the act could face damages of $10,000. House Speaker Emanuel Chris Welch called attention to historic legislation like the 19th Amendment to make his argument.
We rightly celebrate the men and women who had the courage and moral clarity to stand up to oppression. This is our moment to do it again. History will judge our actions in this moment just as it did our predecessors. History will remember those who are silent in moments like these.
The legislation would also ban civil immigration arrests inside state courthouses, but it didn't come without some debate.
I think there is a way for us to come together to enforce laws humanely by aiding the federal government in enforcing not only our laws, but the laws that are passed by the federal government.
The bill also would require public colleges and universities, hospitals, and child care facilities to create policies for dealing with immigration enforcement. It would prohibit them from disclosing the immigration status of students, patients, parents, and children. If immigration enforcement is spotted on those grounds, staff would be required to notify parents and campus communities of their presence. I'm Emily Jordan. Back to you.
Thanks, Emily. The House bill is headed to Governor J.B. Pritzker for approval. Illinois legislators have passed a bill establishing punitive damages for federal agents acting in Illinois. This as the Trump administration orders mass deportation raids across the U.S. and in major cities like Chicago. News Channel 20's Emily Jordan is breaking down what legislators had to say. Emily?
If Governor Pritzker signs House Bill 1312, it will ban civil immigration arrests in and around state courthouses. House Speaker Emanuel Chris Welch told the House floor that House Bill 1312 would protect Illinois residents' constitutional rights.
Lifelong Americans, new citizens, and immigrants alike profiled, abused, and detained. People terrified to go to work, to go to school, families undergoing chemotherapy, just ripped apart. House Bill 1312, if signed into law, would allow residents to pursue legal action against immigration if their rights are infringed upon, introducing punitive damages for unidentified officers. Everyone here has certainly read about the darkest moments of our history and wondered what we would do. Because I got to tell you, I got an internment camp in Broadview in my district right now. Would we speak out against internment camps?
Although the bill specifies civil immigration enforcement officers, opposers from the Illinois Sheriff's Association and the Illinois Association of Chiefs of Police say it could impact state and local law enforcement.
The civil right of action, that's new for law enforcement across the board. My concern is that it won't affect the federal law enforcement side, but it will have potential to affect us, especially in state courts, if there's frivolous litigation that's filed against any of our officers across the state.
Those who oppose the measure arguing that the legislation could impact officers responding to mutual aid or service calls. Concerns were raised by Republicans that the legislation wouldn't withstand a legal challenge against the federal government's authority. I'm Emily Jordan. Back to you.
Thanks, Emily. The House bill is headed to Governor J.B. Pritzker's desk for approval.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more videos from News Channel 20.